Hold on. Let me put you on to the new king of the jungle. BelleSkin African White Soap. Yep, you heard me right. I know. You've never heard of it, right? You never knew there was such a thing as African white soap? That's why I am here to let you in on the tea, sis, to put you on. Keep on watching. If you have sensitive skin, you want the beautiful effect on and the beautiful luxurious feel and the benefits of black soap, but you want it in a gentler form, there you go, sis. There you go. Thank me later. When you finish using this, whenever you step out, you'll be like, don't chat to me. Do you use white soap from BelleSkin? Then don't chat to me. Here it is. Like, this is what our BelleSkin African white soap looks like. It's even more gentler than our gentle black soap. Can you imagine? Does it get any better than that? This is super amazing. You can even use this on babies. That's how gentle it is. I mean, you can use our BelleSkin black soap on kids, but this, if I were to pick one that I would use on kids, I would go for the white soap. So if you have super sensitive skin, or hey, you just want to try something a bit more gentle than black soap, I would highly recommend you try out white soap. This stuff is amazing. Here's the one I've been using. I'm almost running out. One thing I noticed about it is that it does oxidize when it comes in contact with air or water. So do not be alarmed. It will oxidize, meaning it will turn brown. So it now looks like black soap. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Amaka of Skyvelle Beauty. If you are a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. I know I've been away for a while and you guys have been messaging me. I'm back. So here is what happened. As we all know, I was set to film several videos about the ordinary and whatnot, and boom, BelleSkin websites encountered a significant technical error that affected the website. And we thought, oh, this was just a simple, back-end issue that will be solved in like a few hours. It turns out it was a significant technical error. I finally came to the conclusion that, you know what, we're just gonna, permanently discontinue use of that website, and we would create a brand new website from scratch. And, this time around, we're really, our team is going to really take their time and really put the effort and the energy into creating a standardized website. It's going to be beautiful, it's going to be upgraded, the user experience is going to be mwah. You guys are going to love it. For all those who placed their order in February, I want to say a big thank you. I love you guys so much. You guys were extremely patient and kind. Once our new website is live, we'll publish it here on YouTube, in all our links, and on our socials. In the meantime, you can still place your orders via our WhatsApp business line. Check the link in the description box below. Also, there's good news for those of you who have been asking, BelleSkin, we want to purchase wholesale products. There you go. Wholesale is now live. We ship worldwide, so anywhere in the world. The only place we don't ship to is Mars. Every other place on planet Earth, we deliver. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. Yes guys, the glass game breaks out. Yeah, we are the flawless gang, but glass breaks, and in my case, glass breaks out. I will leave pictures up on the screen. I think the last month, during that time of the month, the gods were like, nah man, you need a moment. Instantly I had to switch to our acne prone skin set, which is called the acne eraser sets, and yeah, it has really helped to calm my skin down and bring things under control. As well, as the azelaic acid from the Ordinary. So this is the Ordinary's azelaic acid. What exactly is azelaic acid? It's a yeast that is naturally found on our skin. So on normal skin, you find this yeast that I can't pronounce and I'll leave across the skin. And when it breaks down, it forms a compound called azelaic acid. Why did cosmetic formulators decide to study and formulate it into a solution that can be applied topically? It can calm inflammation from ultraviolet rays on our skin. Even from acne, azelaic acid is known to help calm the inflammation on your skin. It also targets and suppresses tyrosinase that leads to hyperpigmentation on the skin. So it brightens the skin tone and it visibly improves the texture and the smoothness of your skin, as well as reduce the look of blemishes. It is also antimicrobial, which means it reduces the amount of bacteria on the skin that can cause or lead to acne formation on your skin. So this is a triple threat or a multifunctional ingredient that works well for all skin types, and it is known to slightly unclog pores. Azelaic acid, because it is found naturally on our skin, on human skin essentially, it makes it really safe for sensitive skin, and it's even said to be safe to use by pregnant and nursing moms. Azelaic acid doesn't reduce sebum, and it also doesn't target hormonal causes of acne. This formulation from the Ordinary contains 10% of the azelaic acid, which they say is a high concentration at 10%. It is formulated in a lightweight gel cream system, so it literally looks like a thick lotion. There's a little bit of silicone definitely in this formulation, so yeah, that's what you get when you purchase the one from the Ordinary. Depending on the cause of your acne, it may take between 1 to 2 months, sometimes 4 months, to see like proper results with this, which for some is a really long time. I know for me that's one heck of a long time. The direction from the Ordinary is to apply this on the face in the AM and or in the PM to improve visible brightness and the appearance of skin texture. I'll be showing you how you can use this and incorporate it in your skincare regimen. First thing we like to do obviously is to wash our face. And for this, I'm going to be using our BelleSkin African White Soap. Yes, it's really good for sensitive skin and I really like how it feels on the skin. So I'm going to do that first. Make sure you double cleanse. You want to cleanse your skin properly. A lot of people do not realize that cleansing is the most important step in your skincare regimen. Like, you can't miss this step. If you don't clean your skin properly, you're applying all these expensive products and great ingredients on dirty skin. It's a waste. I really love our African White Soap because of how gentle it is on the skin. And yes, you still have to use your moisturizer regardless of how gentle your cleanser is. The next step after cleansing will be to go in with your toner if you use one. Currently I do not use one yet, so we'll move on. But if you use a toner, that will be the next step. After your toner, you go in with your water-based serums. You don't want to use more than 3 serums in one regimen, so I would use niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and hyaluronic acid. Now it's time to go in with the azelaic acid. That will be the next step. Usually when it comes to skincare, the ideal is to go from thinnest to thickest, so that way you can have good penetration and one is not blocking the other. Because if you put an occlusive and then you go in with a water-based serum, it's going to block penetration. So this is a cream gel, it's quite thick, and it's best to use it after your serums, your water-based serums. Just take a pea-sized amount and spread that across the face, massage it in properly, and wait a few minutes for it to sink in and you get the juiciness out of it. This definitely feels matte on the skin. It has a slight silicone feel to it. I didn't experience any stinging. If my skin didn't like it, by now I would have that burning sensation already. The next step would be to go in with our moisturizer. Very, very, very important, guys. Do not skip moisturizer. This is from BelleSkin. As you can see, we have the shea butter in Sunset and the shea butter in Original. I usually prefer this for daytime and this for nighttime. You need a good moisturizer regardless of whatever skincare you are using. You need an excellent moisturizer because you need a good sealant to lock everything in, as well as nourish your skin, and shea butter is excellent at that. if you have dry skin and you're not using shea butter, you are missing out big time. This is available right now, so all you have to do is send us a message on our business line and we would have your orders shipped to you. Yes, we deliver worldwide. I'll just take a little amount, just a slight amount, and I'll apply that all over my face. And no, shea butter doesn't clog your pores. Actually, on the comedogenic scale, shea butter is 0. So I don't know where people get the concept that shea butter will clog your pores. Maybe because it's a thick, heavy moisturizer. Like, it's really good, especially in the winter time or in our parts of the world, Hamatan. You can't go wrong with shea butter. 100% natural organic shea butter. If you're using this in the night time, you may want to go in with your retinols before you go in with your moisturizer to, you know, coat my skin, drench my skin in the glow. But if it's too much for you, that's absolutely fine. You don't have to. You can simply take a small, like a teeny weeny pea-sized amount of the shea butter and you would have less shine, less gloss, less glow. And last but definitely not least, sunscreen. I used to use the one from Neutrogena and I just got jaded and I wanted to try something different, and currently I am trying out this one from Innisfree. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. It's a Korean brand. It's their hyaluronic acid watery sunscreen gel with SPF 50. I like it because it is water-based. It soaks into your skin really quickly. It contains hyaluronic acid and it's actually really hydrating. In my opinion, I love this, so I'm switching to this for now. This is not sponsored. And that brings me to the end of the video. That's it for your skincare regimen. Once you're done with this, you apply your sunscreen for about 20 to 30 minutes before you step out of the house and you're good to go, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what your skin type is in the comment section below. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Bye. Check that glow. The glass skin glow. You want to glow like Belle? Then you need to get yourself some shea butter, okay? Okay?